Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how I dice an onion. I peel off the outer layer, leaving the root attached because once you cut the root, it will start to bleed and it will make you tear up quicker. Slice the onion in half and take one half and lay it flat on the cutting board. Taking the knife, I hold the blade with my finger and thumb and grip the handle with my other fingers. Make small slices in the onion, not cutting through the root. Grip your hand like you are holding a tennis ball, so the knife runs along your fingers, not cutting them. Turn the knife perpendicular to the slices you just made and cut. Do this to the other half as well. Now you have a perfectly diced onion. When I was in culinary school, I had so many opportunities to cut onions that I would come home and my hands would smell like onions for days. Thank you to those who have subscribed, and if you haven't, hit the button and the bell so together we can strengthen our families through food.